We're using the Ground Smart Testing Kit, which is specially designed to ensure your earthing system is functioning safely and effectively. The kit uses the same principles as used with industrial testing applications for electrosensitive medical equipment and uses a simple two-step process. The total testing procedure can be completed in about 20 seconds with a very high degree of accuracy. The technology has been completely adapted and customized for testing your earthing system and has been specifically designed for people to easily test their earthing system for peace of mind that it is safe and functioning properly. Here's how it works. Step 1. Use the Ground Smart Outlet Tester to verify the ground source that you are using is safe and functioning as it should be. The Ground Smart Outlet Tester connects to the outlet and measures where live electricity is and where the ground connection is within the electrical system. Observe the label on the Smart Tester and notice the legend. Plug the Smart Tester into the outlet and observe the light indicators. 2 amber lights indicate a correctly wired ground connection that is safe to use and is the only indicated condition to proceed with. If any other indication is shown, do not use the ground source as it may be a safety concern and will not provide a connection to the earth. Once the ground source has been verified as safe and functioning, the earthing system needs to be tested next. Step 2. Use the Smart Conductivity Tester to verify the earthing system is conductive and functioning well. The Smart Conductivity Tester identifies where there is conductivity and where there is not conductivity. The device uses a battery similar to a watch battery to generate a very small electrical charge when the button is pressed and held down. Pressing and holding the button down on the conductivity tester flashes the green light once to indicate it is working, then shuts off even while holding the button down. The 2 conductive parts of the tester represent 2 ends of the circuit, each connected to the watch battery. When these 2 ends are connected to something conductive, the circuit is completed, which turns the light on again. If there is the slightest lack of conductivity somewhere, the circuit will not be complete and the light will not turn on. First, test if the Smart Conductivity Tester has a charged battery by using your own conductive body to demonstrate that the tester is working. Place your thumb so it is firmly touching the metal surface of the battery on the underside of the tester. With your pointer finger on the same hand, press and hold the tester button down. The green light will flash once. With a finger on your other hand, touch the connection on the top side of the tester while still holding the button down and your thumb on the watch battery. The green light will come on when you touch the top side connection because you have completed the circuit. Once you verify the tester is functioning, you'll test all parts of the earthing system in a similar way by adding them into the circuit as you did to check the tester. Start with the grounding cord that you are using. Attach the female end of the grounding cord to the top side connection on the Smart Conductivity Tester. Again, place your thumb so it is firmly touching the metal surface of the battery on the underside of the tester. With your pointer finger on the same hand, press and hold down the tester button and the green light will flash once. Touch the male connection on the grounding cord with your other hand while still holding the button down and your thumb on the watch battery. The green light will come on when you touch the male connection on the grounding cord because it has now been included as part of the circuit. Once you determine that both the tester and the grounding cord are functioning, next, proceed to test your earthing product in a similar way. For most earthing products, place it on a hard surface, like a dresser, a table, or a counter. Then place the Smart Conductivity Tester on top of it. Ensure the surface is hard enough for you to press down on the tester button without buckling the earthing product, as this could break the contact between them. Make sure the tester is placed with the surface of the watch battery, making flat contact with the conductive parts of the earthing product. For earthing mats, ensure that you're testing on the side where the connection faces upward. For earthing sheets, ensure the contact is made with the silver threads. Other earthing products, such as body bands, may be better tested while holding them and attaching the grounding cord directly because of their smaller size. For example, the most conductive part of the band is the shiny metal section that you will need to test, and holding it against the conductivity tester may be easiest. This is important. You will need to ensure direct contact is maintained between the tester and the earthing product to test accurately. With the tester in place, press and hold down the button and the green light will flash once. Maintain this position and be sure to continuously hold the button down firmly. With your other hand, touch the male connection on the grounding cord to any part of the conductive surface on the earthing product while still holding the button down. Once again, the green light will come on if there is total conductivity because you have completed the circuit by adding the earthing product to it. The green light demonstrates the conductivity of all parts included in the circuit. Once these components have been tested and you know your grounding source is functioning, you can rest assured that your entire earthing system is operating safely and effectively. Here's a quick recap. Step 1. Plug in the Ground Smart Outlet Tester and check to see if there are 2 amber lights. Step 2. Test the battery on the Smart Conductivity Tester, then press and hold it against your earthing products for the green light. That's it. Using the Ground Smart Testing Kit, you'll be able to test the ground source you're using and your entire earthing system in about 20 seconds.